The countertop you choose will be the most used surface in your entire home and a major factor in your property's resale value. Welcome back to VA Mortgage Specialist, where we help you decide between the beauty of natural stone and the durability of modern man-made materials. Quartz has become the #1 choice for homeowners in 2026 because it is non-porous and virtually impossible to stain or scratch with daily use. Granite remains a top contender for those who love the unique character of natural stone and its credible ability to withstand high heat from hot pans. While marble offers the most luxurious and timeless aesthetic, it is very porous and prone to etching from acidic foods like lemons or vinegar. Many savvy renovators are choosing quartzite as a middle ground that provides the elegant look of marble with the extreme hardness of a natural granite. Your choice should depend on your lifestyle, as a busy family with young kids will likely value the low-maintenance nature of a high-quality quartz slab. Visit VAMortgageSpecialist.com to see our 2026 Countertop Comparison Guide and subscribe to learn how to pick the best finishes for your dream home.